Good morning, everyone. This is Prem's Crypto Market Update for November 13th, 2018. Welcome, everyone. If we look at the market cap, it's at 211 billion, meaning $2 billion have come out in the last 24 hours. The volume basically in the last 24 hours is 13 billion, which is still lower than usual. We get around 14 billion. BTC dominance has risen to 52.3%, and that can be seen basically in the top 10. As you can see, Bitcoin still at the $6,400 level, down 0.5%. But if we look at the top 10, basically, we can see that Ripple is actually 2.7% up, doing 51 cents. Bitcoin Cash still stable at 510, more later on in the news. And yeah, what else? We can see Tether again getting off its 99 cents equilibrium, going now to 98.7. So that's also very interesting to see, and people are taking some profits from Stellar, which has gone up lately, and it's around now 26 cents. All right, so let's go to the coins which have done very well. We can see NEM up 24%, Chainlink up 14%, Ethera 11%, and Mixin up 8.5%. Coins which didn't do that well, MOEC was up yesterday. Today people are taking profits, 7.8%, Walton Chain 5.9%, and One Chain 4.5%. Populous also 4.5% down. All right, so let's continue with the news. It's all about the hard fork which is about to happen with Bitcoin Cash. So hash power favors Craig Wright's camp in looming Bitcoin Cash fork. As you guys know, on November 15th, there will be a divide between what is called Bitcoin Cash ABC camp and Bitcoin Cash SV camp, where basically the ABC camp is looking at how things are going to evolve in the block size, and you have Bitcoin's SV stands for Satoshi Vision, basically. So this week is basically the run up. So a couple of exchanges are basically looking also into the fact how the hard fork will be affected. As I just reported, Bitcoin Cash is doing still $510. In the last 24 hours, there was no change. But more importantly, we have to look how it's going to be distributed in hash power. So it seems to be that the Bitcoin SV camp of Craig Wright is having the favor for looking at hashing power. So let's see how this is going to roll. It's going to be a very interesting week, basically, and definitely on Thursday. Earlier this week, Coinbase and Binance had announced that they would support the fork. And let's see how this is going to roll. Now coming to the 15th, very close, just 2 days in front of us, how this is going to evolve. All right, the next news comes from Ripple. Ripple lawsuits twists, basically. Again, crafty class action U-turn could favor defendants. So claiming that XRP isn't a security might be a long shot, but Ripple's lawyers have shown themselves more than capable of pulling a legal hat trick, basically. In the latest chapter of the XRP courtroom drama, the company behind the third largest cryptocurrency removed the combined class action suit to federal court, where the class action suit will be decided on a federal level. So, it's always the question: is Ripple a security or a utility? Now, this fight is going to continue in the courtrooms, and let's see how this is going to continue. All right, so then the next news comes from Consensus. Consensus and Amazon are launching a Ethereum marketplace for enterprise blockchains, basically. So Kaleido, which is a subsidiary of Consensus, is launching a marketplace where plug-and-play services to help blockchain projects from proof of concept to live production business networks. The firm which announced the product was there in the Web Summit in Lisbon, that they're working on AWS or Amazon Web Services. So this is really good news that you can have blockchain as a plug-and-play machinery, basically, where you are able to use enterprise level blockchains for enterprises, for companies who are willing to start off within their internal malefices to start with them. All right, this was the news for today. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe. Go to our website, bitcoinmagazine.nl, and I hope to see you on the next one.